आम्ही आता कलेक्टर ऑफिसान आयल्या. एक्चुअली वी आर गिवन द तिका हें दिल्लें आमी मेमोरंडम पयलें आनी नाव वी आर कम टू द प्रोटेस्ट. म्हणजे हें आमकां डिस्ट्रॅक्शन फॉर इन आवर विलेज वी डोंट वॉन्ट. आनी आमचे सगळे विलेजर्स हांगा आसा. सरपंच मेंबर आमचो सर एल्टन. We have already filed a complaint near police station also and collector, deputy collector are Kepe. So
नाकेरी बेतून पंचायतीचो पंच रामास्को डिसिल्वा. आयज आमकां घेवपाचें हें रस्त्यार येवपाक कारण म्हणल्यार तुमी जाणा आसतलो स्फोट जाल्लो, एक्सप्लोजन जाल्लें. एक्सप्लोजन जालें तेन्ना तें जाल फाटल्यान आमच्या गांवांक घार हाल्ल्या लोक भियेन सगळो व्हडलो जाल्लो. आनी ह्या म्हाचेर दखल घेवन पुलिसींक कंप्लेन रजिस्टर FIR रजिस्टर केल्ली. डेप्युटी कलेक्टराक मेमोरंडम दिल्लो, तसोच कलेक्टराक मेमोरंडम दिल्लो. आनी तो मेमोरंडम दिलो जाल्यार आयज एटलिस्ट 16-17 दीस जाता. पूण आयज पासून कांयच हाचे कारवाय जाल्ली दिसना. तें म्हणून दुसरें म्हणलें जाल्यार तांचे पळय मॅटेरियल स्टोर केल्लो ताजे डेटा शीट सांगता की हो बरो हायली कंटेजियस आनी हेका पोल्युशन आसा म्हणून. पूण आयज पासून प्रशासनान कितें घेवन थिंगा पळय हें पोल्युशन जालां ताजें कितें काडपाचें, ताजें कितें बरें करपाचें आयज पासून चिंतलां ना. आतां सदां अलर्ट येता पावस पडपा. म्हणजे स्फोट जाला त्या जाग्यार दोनी सायडीन 2 व्हाड आहा. हे दोनी व्हाड एरेबियन सिया टच जाता. फाल्यां तरी पावस पडलो जाल्यार इतलें कॅमिकल रेजिड्यू आहा तो देंवन सगळो सकयल येतलो. हाचे सरकारान न्हू ना प्रशासनान कांय दखल गेली ना. आयज सरकार सांगता हायकोर्टान ऑर्डर दिल्या इलिगल कन्स्ट्रक्शन आहा ती कन्स्ट्रक्शन मोडा. पूण जो आयज जो स्ट्रक्चर थिंग उबो आसा ताका ना म्हूण सनाद आसा, ना म्हूण पंचायतीचें लायसन्स आसा. आनी हाचेर सरकार कांय कारवाई करपाचो प्रयत्नच करना. सरकाराच्या अशें मना आहा की हें दुसरें युनियन कार्बायड भोपाल जाल्लें तें आमचे नाकेरी बेतूल पंचायती करपाचें. आतां तें कोणा स्वास्था खातीर करता तें आमकां खबर ना. आनी हाचेर आमकां कांय सुटावो जबाब मेळना, प्रशासनान मेळना, सरकारान मेळना. सो आमच्या लोकांक आमची जिवीत सांबाळपाक, आमचें लायफ सांबाळपाक, आमचें एनवायरमेंट सांबाळपाक आमकां हो रस्त्यार हाडपाचो मुद्दो सरकारान दवरला. आनी सरकारान सांगला तुमी या. येयलो रस्त्यार येयलो वगैरे कांय जावपा ना अशें दिसता. कित्याक सरकार आनी प्रशासन चलता म्हणटा फकत लायसन्स दिल्लें, पेसून दिल्लें, तें लायसन्स दिल्लें सस्पेंड केलां, कॅन्सील केलें ना. सरकार आज पासून ह्या मुद्द्याचेर कॅन्सील करपाची भाशा म्हण ती उलयच ना. जेन्ना हाचो प्रश्न विधानसभेक मांडपाक गेल्लो तो हाडायलो कसो जाल्यार सरकारान. कित्याक अशें दिसता की सरकारान तो हँड इन ग्लव आसा कितें तरी वायट हाडपाक आमच्या गांवचें. आमकां कोणा त्रास करपा ना. फॅक्टरी चलतात चलती पूण आमच्या गांवांक हें नश नाका. कित्याक भोव करून मुगे कानागिनी गांवांत थिंगा वॉर्ड नंबर 6 आनी वॉर्ड नंबर 7 दोनी आटीन अरावंड एक आटी आहा 800 मिटराचेर, एक आटी आहा 925 मिटराचेर लोक रावता. आनी इलिगली तांच्यांनी हे दोनूय मॅगझीन केल्ले आहा. आनी हे तर दोनूय मॅगझीन तर एक बरो एक्सप्लोड जाल्ले, कंबाशन जावन तर एक्सप्लोड जाल्ले आयज गांव म्हणटा उरना. पूण हाचेर सरकारान कितें तर दखल घेवन कितें तरी करपा जाय. कितें व्हडले मनीस आहा व्हडल्या डिफेन्सा एम्युनेशन करता म्हूण लोकांक मारून करपा ना. वी नीड डेव्हलपमेंट. द आर्मी ऑर डिफेन्स शूड गो हेड बट नॉट एट द कॉस्ट ऑफ विलेजस. आनी जेन्ना विलेजसान तांकां एप्रुवल दिलें ना, पंचायतीन तांकां एप्रुवल दिलें ना. आमी मार्चाचे 13 तारखेर आनी ओतुंबराचे 13 तारखेर पुलिसींक डायरेक्ट लेटर दिल्ल्या पंचायतीन रेजोल्युशन घेवन आमकां हें नाका, हें प्रोस आमकां नाका, लोक रावता थिंगा एक्सपिरियन्स जाल्यार माल जाता. पूण आमकां पंचायती बायपास करून प्रशासनान तांकां लायसन्स दिला. पूण त्यो गायडलायन्स प्रशासनान घातल्या, ज्यो कलेक्टरान घातल्या त्यो फॉलो केल्या त्यो पयली ना. म्हणजे अशें दिसता प्रशासनान सरकाराक लोकांक मारया, कोण एकट्याचे बडस भरया. आनी हें जावपा नाका म्हण आज आमी रस्त्यार आयल्या.
So this is a silent march. आमी आवाज घालना, कांय स्लोगन्स घालनाय. आनी लेट मी गिव यू अ ब्रीफ थिंग वॉट अबाउट दिस ह्यूज जे कंपनी आहा जे स्टोर कोताय whatever substance to manufacture some ammunition ते स्टोर कोताय सबस्टन्स. तेजे बद्दल हांव थोडेशें सांगता. म्हाका जी म्हायती आहा ते प्रमाणे 2023 म्हाका दिसता हें आमकां एप्लिकेशन येयल्लें NOC ग्रांट करपाक फ्रॉम द पुलीस स्टेशन, कुंकली पुलीस स्टेशन. आनीक आमगेले नाकेरी बेतूल पंचायतीन हे दोनूय पार्टी आमगेल्या दामास पंचान जाले ते प्रमाणे दोनूय पार्टी आमी रिजेक्ट केले. 2023 सो 2023 जेन्ना आमी रिजेक्ट केल्ले 24 सो जेन्ना आमी रिजेक्ट केल्ले तेन्ना वी वर इन दिस ओपिनियन दॅट देर इज नथिंग हॅपनिंग इन दीस प्लेस कित्याक हे जो जागा ऑलमोस्ट 700-800 मीटर ऑलमोस्ट फॉरेस्ट एरिया थिंगा जे लोक रावतात थिंगसून 700-800 मिटर्स मुखार या सो कोण थिंग वचपा पावना तेका एक्सेस ना काय ना जे 2 मॅगझिनचे बांदले थिंगा जेन्ना हे एक्सप्लोजन जालें दे वर सेईंग दॅट दीस इज बंड म्हणजे उज लागलो म्हण एक्सप्लोजन न्हू म्हण म्हणून आतां ते कितें सांगूं सोदता तें खबर ना म्हाका आतां आमकां म्हायती मेळटे प्रमाणे आतां दुसरी वस्त सांगता आमगेलो बाब रमेश त्याचा रातीको आहलो 365 रिपोर्टर आनी जेन्ना रातीकोळे आमकां 11:30 जेन्ना खबर मेळ्ळी की हेचें एक्सप्लोजन जालें आनी व्हडलो उज जालो आवाज जालो आख्या सावथ गोवा यू कॅन से हाल्लें तेन्ना हांव आमगेले कलेक्टराक फोन केलो सगल्या एडमिनिस्ट्रेशनाक फोन केले आमगेले लोकल पंच रायट फ्रॉम द कलेक्टर SP सरपंच डेप्युटी सरपंच पंच लोकल मेंबर्स गांवचो लोक सगळो थिंग गेलो आनी एक मॅगझीन जो एक्सप्लोड जाल्लो ते सायडीन आनी एक मॅगझीन आहा तेलो आमी विचारलें तांकां बाबा हिंग तुगे कितें एमटी आहा काय म्हूण ते म्हणपाक हितून कांय ना की तूं माला आहा काय म्हूण कांय ना म्हणपा लागले आमकां पयलीं सद्यार आमी कंपनीचेर म्हाका दिसता सारकी कारवाय जावपा जाय कित्याक आमकां फोटो येयले म्हणटा आमी त्या वखदार रातीको 1-1:30 आमी ते मॅगझिना बरें गेले लास्ट थिंगा आनी सायडीन आनी आहा तितून आज आयकता तितून 13-14 टन आनी एक्सप्लोजन आहा म्हूण थिंगा सबस्टन्स आहा म्हूण हे वस्त तितून आहा आनी अशें आयको येलां देर इज एडल्ट्रेशन तितून ती जे कंपाउंड की सबस्टन्स केलां तें एडल्ट्रेटेड आहलो म्हूण तेका लागून एक्सप्लोजन जालें म्हूण सो सरकारान म्हाका दिसता जेन्ना ही वस्त जेन्ना आमी वी आर युजींग फॉर आर डिफेन्स आमी म्हणटा इंडिया प्रधानमंत्री आमगे म्हणटा आमी इतली सांगता इतली कोता सगळी कोता जेन्ना एक्सप्लोजन जे एम्युनेशन जे आहलें जे सबस्टन्स आहली ती एडल्ट्रेटेड आसली जाल्यार म्हाका दिसता इट इज अ रिस्क फॉर अ कंट्री ना पेसोन क्लियरी आमी सांगपा जालें बाबा वाय इट गॉट एक्सप्लोडेड कितें आज पासून आमी आतां मेमोरेंडम मेलो पुलिसान FIR फायल करपा लायलें डेप्युटी कलेक्टरा दिले सगळें घेवन बसून हाय सस्पेंड केलें म्हण तेंगेले कॅन्सील केलें ना लायसन्स आनी जेन्ना तांकां कलेक्टराचे ऑर्डरी प्रमाणे आमी चलता म्हण देर वर 22 लायन्स गायडलायन्स वॉट दे हॅड टू डू ही सगळी फुलफील करपा आहली तितून मेजर वॉज देर लोकल बॉडी पंचायती कडेन लायसन्स घेवपा जाय आसलें सो तें गेलें ना आनी विदाउट ऑल दीस दे हॅव स्टोर्ड दॅट थिंग इनसायड सो हांव म्हणटा हितून बारीक मनशां आतां ना हितून कोणें मोठे तरी मनशां आतां आसपा जाय कित्याक नाल्यार इतली रिस्क घेवन 14 टन समज तरी तुमी हे एम्युनेशन वॉट एवर गन पावडर वॉट एवर तुमी स्टोर कोताय कोणा भरोशार आनी कोणा आदारार कोताय हें जाणा जावपा जाय तितूंक जाय तोचताय ही बाबा जमीन कितें ताका एक्सेस कितें तांकां परमिशन दिलें कोणें हें सगळें जाणा जावपा आमची गरज आहा कित्याक एकले मनशाक गेल्या फायद्या लागून वो एकले कोणागे स्वार्था लागून आख्खो गांव पिडी जावपाना आज जो थोडो लोक येयला ते म्हाका एक्सप्लोजनाचेर आनी आवाज करपाक गरज आसली गे व्हडली स्लोगन मारपाक गरज आसली एक्सप्लोजन इतली व्हड जालां सो आमी बोवाळ मारपाक गरज ना की गोंया आदी देशा खबर आहा हें कितें जालें तें कित्याक सोशल मिडियाचेर सगळें गेलां सो वी हॅव डन अ सायलंट मार्च फकत बाबा हें सरकारा दोळ करपाक म्हाका म्हायती मेळपणे आय थिंक सो द ऑनरेबल डिफेन्स मिनिस्टर आमगेलो इंडियेचो इज सपोज टू अरायव टुमोरो इन गोवा ऑन इज वे टू कारवार सीबर्डांक अशें म्हणून आयकलां सो आमी तुमच्या मध्यान मागताय हें जे आज इशू आहा हो खाल्यान तेच्या कानार पडपा जाय ही शूड रीड इट ऑन द पेपर दॅट दीस इज थिंग वॉट इज हॅपन इन गोवा सी वी आर नॉट अगेन्स्ट द डिफेन्स वॉट एवर जावपाक जाय आमगे देशाची रक्षा जावपा जाय बट नॉट एट द कॉस्ट ऑफ दीस आनी इफ इट इज सारकी तरी समज तरी स्टोर केल्लें प्रॉपर वॉटेवर प्रोसिजर्स आनी प्रॉपर समज तेणें विदाउट एनी एडल्ट्रेशन नाल्यार आमकां म्हायती मेळटे प्रमाणे इट वॉज अडल्ट्रेटेड एंड देर वॉज सम इशू दॅट इज वाय इट गॉट एक्सप्लोडेड आनी आमकां लायफ रिस्क रायट फ्रॉम द कलेक्टर टू द SP आनी लोकल पीपल सरपंच पंच मेंबर्स एज अ MLA बी ऑल वेंट डेड 133 330 वी वर देर आनी आमी तांकां विचारलां बाय हे खाली है वो सब उसमें कुछ नाही म्हणपा लागले आमकां आनी आतां कळ्ळां ते प्रमाणे थिंगा 14 टन तरी आनी माला म्हूण आतां तेमी कितें केलां प्रशासन आनी पुलीस हाडून सगळ्या सरावंडींग कोणा वचो मेळना सेकेंड व्हेरी इम्पॉर्टंट थिंग हितून आतां हें जें आतां ब्लास्ट जाल्लें थिंगा हें सगळें जें कॅमिकल कितें आहा आतां दामासान सांगितलें प्रमाणे सकयल एक 2 न्हंयो आहाय 2 न्हंयो आख्यो देर इज अ स्प्रींग दॅट स्प्रींग म्हाका दिसता आख्खे कानागिनी आख्या लोकांक बेतूल कानागिनी नुवें खोलाल ते लोक हिंगा उदक पिताय हें समज पासान तरी हें सगळें सकयल गेलें लोकांचे जीव धोक्यार आहा थिंगा एनवायरमेंटाचेर थिंगा म्हाका दिसता फाटीं रमेशान एक ब्लॅक पॅन्थर कितें दाखयलो थिंगा तेच जाग्यार तो थिंगा भरपूर जनावर आहाय पक्षी आहाय झाडां हें सगळें म्हाका नश्ट जातलें आतां जाल्यार ऑलमोस्ट 20 days जाले आमकां खबर ना हें आतां जें तेंगेलें मेटिरियल जें आहा जें एक्सप्लोड जालें तें मेटिरियल जें आहा तें कित्याक दवरलें तें म्हाका खबर ना पास येवन सगळें मागीर वचोन स्प्रेड जावन आख्खो गांव काबार जावपाक दवरलां कितें तें खबर ना आमकां. सो एज आमदार ह्या नात्यान म्हाका सांग म्हजें कर्तव्य आमगे गांवच्या लोकांचो आमगे लोकांलो जीव वाटावपाक आमी हिंगा खंय राजकारण कोनाय आनी वी डोंट टू डू एनी पॉलिटिक्स विथ दीस बिकॉज इट इज आमगेलो लोकांचो जिवाचो हे प्रश्न. सो आमी सरकाराक मागताय हेजेर सारकी कारवाय जावपा जाय. इफ समवन इज गिल्टी दे शूड बी हेल्ड गिल्टी तांकां पनीश जावपा जाय. 1% ऑफ द पीपल वॉट वी हॅव गॉट दीस हे वॉर्डांतलो लोक आमगेलो कानाई नाकेरी आख्खो गांव लोय जायल ना कित्याक म्हाका दिसना सरकाराक इतली आमची इतली नीट सकयल वचपाक की रस्त्यार येवन सरकारा दौड गत करपाक इतली सकयल वचपाक गरज ना. आतां आमी बारीकशें दाखयलां हें झलक दाखयलां आमी कळ्ळें तुका न्हू. सो हें ट्रेलर जाय जाल्यार आमी व्हडलें कोत्तले कित्याक आनी इतली करपाक हांव सरकाराक मागता ऑनरेबल चीफ मिनिस्टराक मागता हें इतली करपाक आमी दिनाका. तूं तुगेल्या प्रशासनाक सगळ्यांक बाबा लायनीर घाल आनी जे समज कोणी दोशी आहाय हेजेर सख्त कारवाय जावपा जाय ही आमगेलें डिमांड. विदीन 7 days वी हॅव टू डू वॉट हॅज टू बी डन कित्याक ती कारवाय आमी सांगपा जाय आमी इंटिमेट करपा जाय. ब्लास्ट जालो तो आवाज आख्खो गोंय पावला सो आवाज कोनाय आमकां बरे भाशेन पिसफुली वॉन्ट टू गीव लायक लोकांकूय कळपा जाय न्हू एडमिनिस्ट्रेशन कितें कोत्तें बोड मारपा जाल्यार मिंगा मारताले तेन्ना ती बरें सारकें जाता न्हू पिसफूल जाता तें पिसफूल करपा दिये बेश्टे लोकां आनी टेम्परेचर वाडयनाकाय. सो ताप आहा चलया मरे सांग मरे कामां सांग लोकां वचपाक कितें आहा पब्लीक सुवात मरे ती कलेक्टर मामलेदार म्हळ्यार पब्लिकान वचपा मरे कोणा बसतले थंय इश्यू जाता आमी दिन दाखोवन नाल्यार जातलें कशें. हें रोंग हांव तुगेलें काड पे काड ओपन कर अरे वाय कांय लोफडे कांय कोनाय ना रे आम घेवपा आम कांय कोनाय आतां भितर सरकारी ऑफिसान वचपा आनी परमिशन घेवपा जाय बेस्ट मरे आम कितें चोवन कितें वचपा रे आम ओरां दोयताय मरे हाडले दारान कितें आम मुखाल दारान भितर वचताय. सांग कलेक्टर जाण कितून वयता रे आम सपोर्ट रावताय वयताय कितें 5 कोणा जागना 20-25 जाणां जागना ऑल्ड कॅबी ना मरे कलेक्टर. सी एवरी वन शूड नो वी आर नॉट कितें आम हुलिगन्स न्हू कितें समथींग हें करपाक आम एक आवाज लेत केला ना. आतां म्हाका दिसता लोकांक सगळो ब्लास्ट चलता आवाज येयलो हो एडमिनिस्ट्रेशन आवाज आयकिल्लो नासतो तो ब्लास्टाचो कोणें सांगिल्लो नासतो तुमकां. सो आम आतां सांगू येयले आमकां वाडयनाका आम थोडो लोक येयला आमी 5-6 लोकांक घेवन येयल्ले आमकां डिसन्सी आमी बरे भाशेन पयलीं सांगपा येयले थोडो जाण आमी 20-25 जाण 30 जाण 30-35 जाण 5 जाणां ना हांव येना हांव लोक आहा मरे लोक आहा म्हण हांव आहा.
So Pritam, yo.
आवाज कोण आहे come to discuss and just to take whatever last regarding this issue what is taken place in Akeri. I think almost a month now, 25 days. The blast took place. We have given the panchayat has given a complaint, filed an FIR at the Pupoli police station. We have given a memorandum to the deputy collector as well as you also. And as of now, we feel, in the sense the whole panchayat feels that nothing has been done. Suspension, we came to know that there was a suspension of that order, but not cancelled yet. and the substance which is there, two things. Substance which was there, which already was burned, that's still remaining there. Two major things. What we want to ask you is that what is the status of this case? And just to tell you, that particular night when you were also there, I was there, SP was there, I think so, everyone, Panchayat Sarpanch was there. We were made to go right up to the place, the engine drive burned, that thing got exploded. And we asked the people who were there, concerned authorities of the company, they said nothing was there. Now we came to know there is almost 14 ton more explosion is there, remaining ammunition is there. So this is one aspect. In fact, they have caused danger to our life. In fact, they could have told us. We would have gone inside. Second thing is that they don't have valid licenses. Whatever permission was given by you, they have to comply with some 22, 23 points which they have not complied. One thing what we can say is the local body's permission had to be taken, which they have not taken. We want to know what was the cause. First thing is it is illegal what they have shown. Second thing is what was the cause. They say it is just fire. They don't say that, they don't use the word that it is exploded. They say it's caught fire. But you must have seen the videos, what was the impact of it. So what is the demand of our villages that we don't want this thing to be stored in that place, particular place. The material which is there remaining now has to be removed as soon as possible from the cleared, because if there is monsoon is approaching now and we get 3 monsoon showers, everything will go down because there are two rivulets which flows into the ocean, and there is a spring which caters to almost all the villages, not only Kanangini, surrounding Betul, Khola, Nube, that water is used for drinking water. So we want to know what is to be done and how to, because it is just a few ward people have come here and we have taken a silent march. We have not even said one slogan. So we want to know, because it is risking all our lives. And as a MLA, as a representative, it is my duty to put forth whatever they are doing.
The permissions have been granted by the collector. Once it not enforced the collector to see the compliance have been taken place?
Permissions are not given by collector. I'll come to it later. Any other concern?
Madam, you are the custodians of the state.
And you just mentioned that I have given the permission.
The previous collector, not she was the other one.
No, even when collector is a continuing officer.
Yeah, but
So
nobody have looked at the compliance of
I'll brief you what are the permissions they are having, what are the NOCs they are having.
Secondly, today, madam, the blast has taken place on top. But it is a must that you should do a study about a water table. Because that is definitely got down, because the source of water is from there. So those has to be also taken into consideration and immediately things should be put into place.
Madam, this thing, the PAN member. Madam, we have given representation to your good office, the Deputy Collector Cafe, as well as the police. Panchayat hasn't received anything saying what is the action taken or what is the progress on this. What we felt like, since earlier collector also gave them a role which they haven't added to, and no one has bothered to check if they have done. First and foremost, they don't have a sanat which has not been given to Panchayat. The Panchayat hasn't given them any licenses. Contrary to this, in March 24 and October 24, Panchayat has clearly written to the police station where we have received it, saying that there is a threat to life, there is a risk to life, which we are clearly objecting to. In spite of this communication with the police station through proper channels, they have started a second magazine. The first and foremost, now the primary target was because there are already pollution taken place. Now every day we get there are red alert, yellow alert, yellow alert. If a slight shower there, all the residue will go down the stream, which is going down to the rivers are going connecting to the river, Arabian Sea. On top there is a spring or Surset. The spring has medicinal value and it flows 24/7 into 12 without any stop. If any of this residue goes to the water table there, then all the lives, even the surrounding lives will be at risk. Because what you all did is, you all applied section 144 and you all said this area is prohibited. But no one, till date, no one has thought about the other aspect of life. What you all have taken measures to mitigate further explosion. But till date, no one has taken, no the district administration or government, nor the company. We had told the company very next day to come with whatever licenses you. Till date, the company hasn't complied to the panchayat. It looks like the panchayat is taken for granted. Because now the administration of the company made any attempt to come. Because the next day when we went to the police station to file a FIR, we saw the company officials in the police station. They had the audacity to go to the police station but not to the panchayat, whose villages were at risk. And the thing is, why I tell is, my house is today almost 3.5 kilometers. I could not bear the fumes. And I was the first person to call the PI, sir, this is going on. First, what we thought was there might be a flight crash, because villages are panicked. And the explosion shook the walls of the houses. Even one house, a front portion of that has been. But nothing has been done. Now the villagers have been taken into confidence. How we go about all this?
So the incident happened on 20th of March, and then we got the information at midnight itself, like all the authorities were there, including the police, disaster management, fire and other people. And as per the PESO guideline, the licensee is supposed to inform the PESO about the incident. However, they have not informed within the 24-hour time period. So we have informed PESO about the incident and we have coordinated with them, and an official from there have come and he has done the inspection. Now, he is of the rank, I don't know his rank, but then he has given the report to junior or joint chief controller of explosives in Mumbai office. From there, they have submitted their report and their observation to their chief to take a decision regarding the license. So what generally happens if someone want to set up a magazine or a unit here, they have to come and apply for NOC from the district administration. The guideline also say that they have to obtain a NOC from the panchayat. So on that day itself, like MLA and the panchayat has brought it to a notice, they have not taken the NOC from the panchayat. Second thing, when the office of collector has issued this NOC for the magazine number 1, it was mentioned there were 22 terms and conditions, like what MLA has mentioned. So they have not adhered to some of the terms and conditions, and we are taking reports from all the line authority who have given reports based on which this NOC was given. Regarding the panchayat also, it was mentioned as a condition that with this NOC they have to go and obtain the panchayat NOC, then only PESO should be granting them the license. So when the PESO official came, we have brought it to this notice also. So PESO thing has not been complied. Our NOC conditions were also not complied. So that has been brought to the notice of PESO. Then we have also sent reminder to them asking how to handle this material. So just like what you are also worried about, we don't know what is the material and we don't know like what kind of negative consequence can be there for the environment also. The pollution aspect also we don't know. And until PESO official come and certify that this premise is safe for officials to enter and do an investigation or this material is safe, we cannot do anything. Inquiry has to be completed at their level. So PESO say we have not received any official communication saying that they have conducted this inquiry or their inquiry is complete and whether it is safe for us to enter. So that is why on the subsequent day when we went there, we have locked the magazine number 2 where they have legally stored this 11 tons of gunpowder. Now PESO has to write back to us saying that their inquiry is over, we can conduct our internal inquiry and then we can take a decision. Now as you were saying, we have not given permission. District administration doesn't have the power to give permission. We give an NOC to the owner to go and apply to PESO. Now that NOC has a lot of terms and conditions which they have clearly failed. Now I am taking a report from the line department. We have given reports. Based on that, we will take a decision regarding the NOC. What decision will be taken, I have to see based on the report. Now, as Honorable MLA has mentioned, the license has been, the transport license as well as the magazine number 1 license has been suspended. Whether they will cancel it, whether they will renew it, whether they will give it back to them, we don't know. PESO has to communicate. Meanwhile, regarding the other aspect, danger aspect, pollution aspect, we are taking help from the SDMA. Inspector of Factories and Boilers are also not the competent authority. We are trying to reach to NDMA to give us an assistance, because by saying that like we want to curtail pollution, if we go there, if we enter there and if there is an explosion, then there will be a loss to life and there will be a threat also, like which we are artificially creating. So we are trying to take help from the expert agencies. So we have written to SDMA, we have brought it to the notice of PESO. Every day we are sending a reminder and we are waiting the reports from the line department. So once the reports come, then we will take an action.
As you're on record, saying the second one is illegal. it has storage inside. Would it not be nice for you to ask the press to immediately evacuate whatever they have
We have
inside?
written to them.
So should it not be done at PD level because
It
this wall is
up
already
to, it is
exploded?
up to the PESO. So I have written for the inspection when it was brought to the notice. Then we are sending reminder. We are speaking to them also. So they have to get that.
Yeah, so because of that risk, how long will that be? That's my question.
So that is
Since
why
one is
we are
exploded.
escalating the matter. We have escalated it to the state disaster management authority also, even to the seniors in the PESO also. We are escalating it.
But there is a provision for this material to be taken somewhere else in Goa. There is.
Yeah, so this material can be shifted only to a magazine which is constructed in a similar fashion. Now in Goa, no other magazine is licensed to store this material, and other magazines are not having this much storage capacity also. So PESO will have to authorize other magazine with private agency to keep this item and in which quantity. So that call also it is PESO's decision.
Basically, till they find a new magazine to store it, this will remain there.
Yeah.
So that means we are leaving on a time bomb.
So I will not say that they have come. If that was the case, PESO would have taken. We have been asking them also like what is the kind of assistance you will be providing to us to ship this material and also interim arrangement also. So if it is like the type of as you are saying, PESO would have acted.
Yeah, but since it's anyway illegal, obviously they can't shift the material out. We already have one disaster.
It is not up to them to shift it. PESO will have to. So basically PESO has to seize the item which has been illegally stored.
But what has villagers, as the MLA, as the panchayat body, what has to be done? Since it's saying, no. Why I'm saying this? Because we don't want to make it into a political controversy. Let us be fair. There is nothing involved, anything political. We are here because to the risk of our lives. It's almost now 15 days, 16 days. No one, we have given copies, memorandum, nothing has been moving. So we don't want something, a big agitation or something to happen and then the government wakes up from their sleep. So otherwise, you give us a time saying that.
Regarding the memorandum which has been submitted by Sarpanch, so basically Sarpanch is also highlighting they have not adhered to the terms and conditions and they have not obtained any sort of permission from the Panchayat also. So we have processed it and what is the ultimate thing that you will be getting? What action we will take on the NOC, right? So for that I have to also take report from the line department. So I'm still awaiting report from the line department. So once the report comes, then there will be a decision of the NOC and subsequently there will be a decision of the.
But we give us a deadline saying because.
Within, like, I will say within 2 working days we will be going to. So we have not received pay. So currently the license is suspended.
That is one thing, but
So
these
I
two major
also-
things that can't
cancel the license.
Yeah. So I'll call for a meeting of the light department who have not given me the
It is
report.
rising, madam. See, I'm
Uh-huh.
again it's not peso can't save our life.
Yeah. So that is why we are trying to reach to it.
Madam, what I would suggest, since you are not coming over the department or the administration was coming to a conclusion, what I would suggest, for timing at least to have some booms around the thing. If there is a slight rain, so that the water doesn't
So
go, that the booms
that
also.
part regarding
That
the
first is
effluent
the-
and all that
yes.
we take immediate action.
Right.
I will put in
Because this is almost 16 days now, no one has acted on it, and the
We will
cases and
take
everything is
action.
lying over there. So
The pollution side will
the
take
pollution,
action.
that is what.
Now, when we talk critically, it will come through the whole life of
So
the
what is
people.
the law they
So I
have?
don't know, it's something to work out a mechanism and make sure that it is implemented properly.
What law have they broken? They have broken the PESO guideline or the Explosives Act. Who is supposed to take action? It is them who is supposed to take action.
Yeah, but madam, tomorrow if it's exposed and somebody have died,
So that is why we
who
are
have said that they have taken?
we are taking action. We are like trying to put in PESO every day or the other day. We are trying to send reminder. We are talking to the seniors, everybody, and recently we have written to the state disaster management authority also to escalate it to NBFD to get a decision. All those things.
So, madam, we expect this decision to come to
So
us
on
within next.
priority, we will take action regarding the effluents and other things, and also we will call for a meeting of the line department, and then we will take a decision on the memorandum.
Yeah, just give me the deadline, madam, when it's execution. So when you are bringing the line department, madam,
We'll call them on Monday.
Monday. So by Wednesday we expect answer for you.
Not sure.
Say, because now we have not even uttered a single word. We have come peacefully. And thank you for giving us. Otherwise, you only 5 were supposed to come. So I said, madam, we want everyone. Because it's not only me and the panchayat body who wants to know. The whole villagers are here. So thank you for
We
that.
have confidence in her, I know that, but don't put her at the risk, madam.
No, see, I am also a responsible person, right? I am from Cafe Oligo, deputy collector. I know each one of you. That is why we are sitting here on the table and discussing. On that day, when I got to the news, I informed her. So I know each one of you. So whatever action has to be taken, we will take action. And whatever action has to be taken to mitigate the pollution aspect also, we will take it.
That is very important. Because it brings
That
everyone.
part we will take care.